Actually, best-selling tong Mikaya natin.
Yes.
Meron na siyang 500 sold.
Ang
Uy,
dami,
grabe.
ang daming may gusto talaga sa Mikaya, guys. Guys, ito partner yung most request talaga ngayon. Guys, ang dami pa rin naghahanap ng Mikaya. Diba? But, ang daming may bias sa Mikaya, actually.
You used to like getting tulips. You said the smell made you warm. Now I just
Sobrang ganda ni Miss Aya. She is
don't like them anymore. 'Cause they sit on your desk, rotten away, nearly dead. The way out of gate, stuck without something to bring them back to life.
is Mikaya. Yeah.
But 18, living a
Kaya ang dami yung bias dito. Yan, shoutout nyo naman yung bias nyo, partner.
goodbye with the sense of
Hello, everyone in the comments.
Yan.
It was a daydream where I never wake up from, and it seems you found any love that gives you what you need. I guess I was just not the missing piece. I know it's none of my business.
Carter pala yun sa'yo, partner. Ay, partner, Aya, sorry. Carter pala yun sa'yo.
Carter and Blue Gray.
You said I could let it be. Now I lay on my bed, holding my chest, nearly dead. The way
Nakapin pa rin yung Mika Aya. Ang dami talaga naghahanap ng Mikaya. Diba?
Nakapin pa rin
Ang
ng vouchers tayo dyan.
Yan guys, andito lang siya. Pwede nga mag-check out eh.
Actually, yung discount yan, abono na ni Miss Mika yan eh. Tsaka ni Miss Aya. Guys, yung discount.
Abo na lang sa inyo, partner. Kasi
Oo,
mas
abono
bilagsak
na yan.
namin yung presyo.
sayo kayo.
barely got by with the sound of your voice and the smell of cigarettes in the air. It was a daydream where I never woke up from, and it seems you found a new love that gives you what you need. I guess I was just not the
Ay!
Friendzone na.
Guys, yan. Pwede na na i-check out, guys.
Wala
Basket
siya
number
pakialam sa'yo.
1. Click nyo lang yun.
imong
Libre ka na
Mikaya
makukuha na tag.
Check out.
Check out na,
imong
check out na,
Mikaya
guys.
tanan.
Oh, it was.
Ay, yung para sa
Check out
Carter.
yung mga
Guys, dalihan nyo. Guys, last 10 minutes lang.
Stocks yan.
Pero,
50 lang, 50 lang, 50 lang.
Abono na.
The sound of your voice